Hey, this is Ben. I was given this for free in exchange for my review. This is the 2-ton scissor jack from AV Steel. Comes in this nice carrying case, duffel bag, nice and sturdy. So let's see what comes inside. We have the user manual, operating procedure, and safety information. Here's the scissor jack, nice and compact. Extended ratchet wrench. This does have an angle to it, a combination of metal and plastic edging here. And it can reverse directions with this switch, and it does ratchet. We get 4 different sizes. These are both two-sided. So 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 23 millimeter. Then we have this L-shaped wrench, which is telescopic. So that allows you to get more leverage on it once you're taking off the lug nuts. You can see in the middle is a square hole. So that just affixes right in there. It has a handle on the end for gripping. Okay, so the first thing we're going to test is loosening up a lug nut. Looks like this takes the 19 millimeter. All right, loosened up just fine. So that works great. Feels nice and sturdy. Now we're going to test out the scissor jack. Okay, so I have it lined up under my lift point. Just has some slots, so it just fits onto the slots. Well, it's not exactly one-handed at first. You actually might just twist it until it's close. All right, there it's made contact. All right, let's get it pumped up and see how it goes. Now, the curb weight on this Jeep Patriot is about 3,100. So I'm just doing this one-handed. Doesn't require much effort at all. I'm just pinching this with a couple fingers. Well, it took some muscle, but I got it all the way up. You can see the jack fully extended, tires off the ground. I can move it freely. And then if you need to put it down, you just got to push the switch to reverse the direction of the wrench. Though each crank of the wrench was easy, it just took a lot of cranks to get it up. It definitely works well. If you have this for a roadside situation, you might want to have something to kneel on. Other than that, this really has everything you would need to change a tire in a pinch. Nice compact bag to throw in your trunk. We bought a used van and it came without a jack, so this is perfect for us. It's definitely a great product. I'll be glad to have it on hand for emergency situations.